Welcome to Hot and Delicious. Today we're going to be making quattro stagioni pizza. Ingredients: we have artichokes, mushroom, Jerez sausage, and black olives. We also have pizza dough, tomato sauce, olive oil, sugar, and salt. After that, we'll slice the artichokes. First, we'll slice the mushroom thin. We'll cut the sausage. If you want to know how to make the sausage, the link will be in the description below. Now we start to stretch the pizza. We get the 18-inch tray and we put the pizza on the tray. Pizza is ready. We're ready for the sauce and topping. To put the sauce, we're going to use a tool. Now for the sauce, we'll mix it with olive oil, sugar, and salt. And now we put the sauce. Now we're going to put the cheese. For the quattro stagioni, we're going to divide the toppings into 4 sections: artichokes, the black olives, the mushroom, and the sausage. Now we're going to put the mushroom. Now we're going to put the Jerez sausage. The black olives. Now we'll put a little bit of olive oil on top, and then we'll put it in the oven 20 minutes, 450 Fahrenheit. We'll transfer the pizza on the screen after 10 minutes. Thank you for watching Hot and Delicious. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We'll see you next time.